Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back. Now we are going to learn about the molecular formulas. And to understand this concept, we have to know firstly, understand the concept of empirical formula that we already watched, already learned in the previous video. And now we are going to talk about the molecular formulas. And by the definition, the molecular formulas describe the exact number, the exact number and type of atoms in a single molecule of a compound, So in the molecular formula, the formula will describe how many number of every atoms inside in a compound. Okay, so now for the better understanding of this concept, we can go to the example. Yeah. um okay, so this is the example. The empirical formula of a compound, of boron and hydrogen is pH3. So this is the empirical formula of the compound that we are going to find the molecular formula. Okay, so the empirical formula is pH3, and the molar mass, uh, molar mass of the compound is 27.7 gram per mole. So this is the molar mass of the compound, and using this information, we're going to find the molecular formula of this pH3, because pH3 is the empirical formula, and we are not using empirical formula to make calculation or to make um, reaction, but the understanding of the concept of empirical formula is so important. So it's so important, so we have to understand about the empirical formula. Okay, now we go back. Okay, so this is for the empirical formula, and this is the molar mass of the compound. Okay, now we are going to uh, find first. We have to find the empirical molar mass. Molar mass. Okay, so how to find this empirical molar mass? We put the empirical formula pH3, which is um, there are P and 3H, and the molar mass of P, the molar mass of P is 10.81, okay, 10.81, and the molar mass of hydrogen is this 1.008, but because there are three atoms, we also times the molar mass of hydrogen with 3, 1.008, 1.008, which is 3.024. Okay, now the empirical molar mass of pH3 is equal to this plus this, 10.81 plus 3.024. Okay, then the answer is 13 8 8 3 4 gram per mole. Yeah, so this is the empirical how to say empirical molar mass. Okay. Um, Now if we want to find the molecular formula, so we have to make a comparison. We make to the ratio. Yeah, we have to make the ratio of molar mass and empirical molar mass. Yeah. Okay, for the molar mass, the value is this. Yeah, 27.7. And for the um, empirical molar mass is this, yeah. 13. Okay, and we make a comparison. So molar mass, yeah, divided by empirical molar mass, yeah. Okay, so 27.7 divided by 13.834, yeah. So the value is 0. 2.0023, or we can say just 2. Okay, so this is the the this is the number that we are going to multiply with the empirical formula. So the empirical formula, yeah, is pH 3. And the uh, molecular formula is uh, P, ya, 2, ya, 2, ya, times pH 3, ya. So we have P2H6, ya. So this is the molecular formula, ya. Nah, this is the molecular formula. Okay, P2H6. Yeah. So this is the molecular formula. Yeah, okay. So this is for the video of finding the molecular formula. And if you have any question, you can just type on the comment section below. And thanks for your attention.